Hatchery ambassador, and welcome to my coops. Let's take a tour. Come on guys, take a tour with me. Come inside. Runway number 1. This is runway number 1, coop number 1 and coop number 2. This is where my older girls live. This used to be an old playhouse that we did turn into a coop. There we go, we added an extra nesting box to the side. And we added some roosting bars, more nesting boxes. And their heating panel for the cold days. And that is coop number 1. Coop number 2 is right here. This is where my younger hens live. Only 2 hens live here because the older girls are not very friendly when it comes to sharing. So we had to add an extra coop, right? The runway itself is 16 by 16. It's pretty big. 6 hens are sharing it. And as you can see, they have plenty of room. This runway is 6 by 8. There's only 3 hens living here. My babies, the youngest one of the flock. Those are my spring babies. So let's take a tour. We have our Cora, Mika, and Lulu who lives in this one. The run is pretty big for the 3 of them only. They do have their feed, their coop. It's plenty of room for them. And here it is. This is their coop. As you can see, it's pretty big for only 3 hens. And they enjoy to relax here. And we can hear on the background somebody laid an egg. And back to runway number 3. Ruby, Lily, and Luna's runway. And the 3 girls living here. Yeah, this one is actually 8 by 12, I believe, so it's a little bit bigger. They have plenty of room, water, feed. We have the lighting for the evening, and I will take a picture of that as well. Here is more. They have it underneath the coop, plenty of room to run around. There's Luna. She's laying her egg. Once again, this is a spacious coop for just the 3 hens. Just to wrap around everything, I will show you all the coops together. This is it. There's one coop. Another coop. I call it my little chicken village. And there we go. Thank you for coming along and checking out my coops.